When you think of chocolate, what comes to mind? Rich, creamy, decadent, luxurious, maybe even a little bit bitter. Whatever your thoughts may be, do you ever wonder how it's made? From bean to bar, there are many steps involved in creating this beloved treat. So grab a cup of hot cocoa and let's get to steeping. We're here at a chocolate factory today to see how it's made, but our journey begins long before that, on cacao trees in tropical climates. These trees produce cacao pods, which are harvested and then split open to reveal the beans. These beans are the starting point of our chocolate story. The first step is fermentation. The beans are placed in heaps and covered with banana leaves or other natural materials for several days. This helps develop their flavor and aroma. Next, the beans are dried under the hot sun for several more days. This can take up to a week or more, depending on the desired intensity of the final product. Result is a hard, woody shell with a thin layer of dry, sandy cacao nibs inside. Once the beans are dry, they're ready to be transported to factories like this one, where the real magic begins. Here, the beans are roasted to bring out their rich aromas and deep, complex flavors. The time and temperature of the roast vary depending on the desired outcome. Some chocolates are roasted longer and at higher temperatures to create a darker, more intense flavor. Others are roasted more quickly at lower temperatures to preserve more of their delicate flavors. After roasting, the beans are cracked and ground into a thick paste called chocolate liquor. This is the heart and soul of chocolate. It contains all the flavor and aroma compounds that make chocolate so irresistible, but it's not quite ready to eat yet. At this point, the chocolate liquor is blended with cocoa butter, milk, and sugar, depending on the type of chocolate being made. The mixture is then refined to remove any lumps or grit and ensure a smooth, creamy texture. This is an important step because it ensures that the finished chocolate will melt smoothly in your mouth without any unpleasant surprises. The next step is conching, which further refines the texture and flavor of the chocolate. During this process, the chocolate is continuously stirred and heated to a specific temperature range for a specific amount of time. This helps to break down any remaining particles and further develop the flavor. Finally, the chocolate is tempered, which involves heating and cooling the chocolate to a specific temperature range to ensure a shiny, glossy finish and a satisfying snap when you break it. The tempered chocolate is then poured into molds and cooled until it solidifies into bars. And voila, chocolate. It may seem simple, but there's a lot that goes into making this beloved treat. From the careful selection of beans to the precise control of temperature and time, each step is crucial in creating the perfect bar of chocolate. Thanks for watching. Did you learn anything new? If so, like and share this video with others. We'll see you next time.